share the recording with you. Yes. So
Project बद्दल हे पाहिजे टीचरला.
I'm so
Call
glad.
केलेस?
Kindly mute yourself for a while. I'm so glad to have you all because this idea just came to my mind, keeping this workshop on phonetic symbols because being phonetic.
मला फोन लगेच पाहिजे, इथे लागतो मला.
Kindly mute yourself, everyone. Okay, so I'm glad to have so many people for this workshop on phonetic symbol. And when this idea came to my mind, I was really not very sure that people will be enrolling themselves or not. But I personally felt the need because when you teach phonics, people will approach you for spell bee, especially spell bee. And if you open spell bee books, you will find these phonetic symbols and you will have to teach them to kids. But when you look at these symbols, you yourself will find it so difficult to memorize them because the symbols almost look similar. All those who have done mnemonics with me, now I hope you have developed that kind of ability that you can apply some tricks to remember things. And those who have not done mnemonics with me, but it can be like your own instinct how to learn things. But I have taught spell bee in a school. Like I was working in Vitty school for 4 years, and I used to take spell bee. But seriously speaking, whenever I looked at the chart and I myself found it so very difficult, I never took the pain to memorize things. So this idea came to my mind that let me apply mnemonics here and let me try learning this. And believe me it or not, but after putting this, after spreading this information about the workshop which I'm supposed to take, then I sat down and then I started working so that I can also memorize. And it was really, really easy. And you all will be convinced very soon because now we are going to learn phonetic symbols. Just a minute. So first I will share that screen and so how many of you are actually aware of phonetic symbols and what is the term we use for this? Where have you seen this? Any prior knowledge you all have?
Ma'am, I had enrolled my daughter long back. Now she's in college, but when she was in grade 1, 2, 3, I enrolled her for spell bee. This.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, ma'am, same for me also. My daughter, she cleared the level 1, but when I saw her book, so even I was confused with
Yeah,
all
if
this.
your children have appeared for spell bee exam, then you must be aware of these symbols.
Yeah.
1 and 2, she did very nicely, but when she came to the 3rd level, all this came into like the phonetic symbols only. I wasn't aware at that time. Now I know what are they called. Like I have heard there are 18 vowels in I don't know what people used to say at that time. So then I also thought she'll get confused and I just stopped it.
Also, you must be aware of these phonetic symbols because these are little different. The sounds, some of them are little different from Jolly phonics. So that is also one of the reason that why you should know that what is IPA. What is IPA?
Yeah.
What is IPA? Have you ever seen these symbols? Where have you seen these symbols?
Probably in a dictionary also. I think I have seen few, not everything, but
Yes, in dictionary.
and is
How do you
that
think-
International Phonetic Association? I don't know, ma'am. I'm not sure.
How do you feel that these are helpful?
Maybe to understand the different alternative spellings, how it is spelled or pronounced at that time.
Yes, because once you learn these, after that, when you look for the right, correct pronunciation, then you'll see these. And if you know these, and you have never ever heard that word or read that word earlier, still you will be making the correct pronunciation. That is the importance of these symbols. Okay. Now, looking at these, how many of you really feel that it is difficult to learn?
Yeah, initially it sounds a bit difficult because so many symbols. So we need to have some pattern of learning this.
Because they almost look similar. If you especially look at the above the first portion, they
Yes.
almost look similar, right?
Yes, ma'am. Only one thing I know is like the schwa sound, that the E is written in another way.
Yeah, inverted E. It is inverted E. So that is one thing which only one symbol which I'm not going to teach through mnemonics. That you have to learn that schwa is inverted E. I think that is easy for everyone to remember. Schwa is inverted E, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let's learn the remaining ones. Okay. Now, very first thing, let's start from the easiest one. Okay. Let's start from the easiest one. Now, do you know that some of the letters are exactly same and you don't have to memorize them? So let's look which all letters have the same symbol as they are written. Okay, so you don't have to learn for P. You don't have to learn for P. You don't have to learn for F. You don't have to learn for T. You don't have to learn for S, B, V, D, okay, and Z. You don't have to learn for G, H, M, N, R, L, and W. So now you'll feel a little relaxed or not? Yes? So the same way you have to teach to kids that look, so many are there where you don't have to learn anything. Okay, so all these are consonants which are written exactly in the same way. But when I showed you this chart, then it was difficult. It seemed difficult, but now out of those charts, we have selected all those which we don't have to memorize because they are written in the same way. Now these are consonants. Now there are two vowels who are written in the same way, short vowel sound. So the short vowel sound, the symbol is this. And for E, short vowel E, the symbol is this. So again, we don't have to memorize these, right? So now our task is bit simpler because we know that these are the letters where we don't have to remember. Now, let's come to those consonants. We'll first do the remaining consonants, single consonant. Okay. So it is easy to remember that for K sound, it will always be K because sound is K and this is only for the sound. So whether it is C in the word or whether it is K in the word, it will always be written as K. So that is easy to remember, right? Now, letter Y is written as letter Y is written as J. This you need to remember. That when it is, let's not talk about the letter, let's talk about the sound. So because these symbols are to represent the sound. Okay, so the sounds P, B, V, D, J, G, H, M, N, L, W, you have to represent as the letter itself. The short vowel sound E is represented as letter E. The short vowel sound E is represented as the capital I. But whenever it is k sound, it will always come with K. Now, whenever it is year sound, that means year, yogurt and bananas, year, then it is written as J. So what about when it is J sound? So whenever it is J sound, then how are you going to represent that? So that is represented with D and Z. Okay, J. Okay. So this is easy to remember that Y is represented, year sound is represented as J and J sound is represented as DJ. Okay, so whatever I have taught till now, who can just repeat that? Whatever I have taught till now.
Ma'am, can I?
Yeah, sure.
There are some consonants which are sound, their symbols are same as their written letter, like P, F, T, S, B, V, D, Z, G, H, M, N, R, L, W. We write as it is. The symbols are the same as how we write it. In short vowel E sound, we write small e, and for e, the e sound, we'll write the symbol I, capital I. For k sound, either it is C sound or it's a K sound, we have to write K, symbol K. And for year, the symbol is J. And for J sound, the symbol is DZ.
Everyone has learned till now. So what all things we have to remember till here? Only for year, that it is J, and for J, it is DJ. Okay, this is what we have learned till now. But till now we have done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 sounds we have done. We are done with 19 sounds. And it was easy. Was it easy or not? Easy. So we are moving gradually, right? Now let's take consonant diagrams. What are consonant diagrams?
Two consonants make one sound.
Yes, two consonants making one sound. So first of all, let's take th sound. Okay. Now, how many of you have done sine theta, cos theta? Have you heard?
Ma'am, in school.
Yes, ma'am.
Heard of that? Yes.
Yeah. So this is theta.
Yes.
So
Yes, ma'am.
th for theta, easy to remember.
Yes, ma'am.
Now coming to the. So th for theta, now the. So now we will have to apply some story, and this is just what I did when I learned. So you can make your own story. So I just learned this symbol by telling that this fruit, I have put a fruit here. Okay, I have just hanged a fruit. It can be cherry or whatever. So I have just hanged a fruit and I say this fruit. You all can draw this fruit. Okay. You can think of any other thing. Like looking at this picture, you can create your own mnemonic device so that you learn this. But I found it easy, so I just thought of this fruit. Okay.
This is a standing line.
No, it's a cross like this one.
Okay.
Let me share that picture in the group so that you can just check it there also. Okay, because I'm just using laptop to draw. So we have done that, the th. So how did we learn th?
Th for theta.
Okay. And the,
Hanging fruit.
okay. Now next is sh. Okay. Now for sh, the symbol is like this. Okay. Please use that image which I have shared in WhatsApp. Okay. Just check from there also. So sh is this. I am not following the order which is given in this table because then it becomes difficult. I'm taking from easy to complex so that we cover all of them and it will be easy for us to memorize. Now, what I did to learn this for is it not making a shape of a belly? If I put it here like, kind of shoe. So I have remembered this image by shoe, okay. Putting a heel to this shoe.
It can be a slim S.
Yes, it is actually looking like S also. Okay. But I did it to remember sh sound, shoe and sh. So I did this. As I told you that now you will have to come up with the idea which comes to your mind. Okay. So for me, it was easy to put this heel, and I remember this sh. Okay. Can anyone think of anything else which might be easier than this?
Maybe a seahorse.
But again, see, your sound should match like sh,
Correct.
shoe. So because then you will be confused that whether it was for S or for sh. Okay.
Correct.
So shoe. I just made it shoe. Okay. Okay. So now tell me what was for the sound year.
J.
J.
What was for j sound?
DZ.
DZ.
What was for k sound?
K.
What was for
Theta.
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 Okay. And what was for the?
Hanging fruit.
Fruit is
Hanging
hanging.
fruit.
This, you have to remember this fruit. This.
This fruit.
This fruit. Okay. Now, ch. Next, I'm taking ch. Now, I made a story that ch is for chair. So, putting that shoe, I drank on chair. I made the story that I know that this is sh. So with this shoe, I sat on the chair to have tea. So I have remembered this symbol for chair. Okay. So tea is for drinking tea with putting on this the shoe on the chair. Okay. Now next is NG. As I told you, we are moving from easy to complex. Okay. Now NG, it's very simple. You can see in the picture which I've shared in the WhatsApp. And we know that it is.
एक मिनट दिखाते बेटा, एक मिनट पिक्चर तो देखूं गुडी क्या शेयर किए मैं.
Okay. So now this is just an extension of G. So you can say that this leg of G has come here. And N is as it is. Okay. Now these all are consonant digraphs because two letters giving one sound. Now can you all tell me which sound is coming in the word television? S-I-O-N. So television. J sound. J. J sound. Now this is something which is not covered in Jolly Phonics 42 sound. J sound. So if you look at the symbol in the chart which I've shared with you, it is a kind of 3, right? J. Also kind of Z, J sound, and looks like 3, right? Looking like 3. So I just remembered this by thinking that I have 3 televisions at my home. 3 televisions at my Now I want to take 5 minutes break. It's 9:30. I want you all to note down all these symbols which we have covered till now. Write it in your notebook and share the picture in the group. And then we will do the remaining ones. Now the remaining ones are more difficult. Okay, so I want you all to understand. Till now what we have done, theta for th, this fruit for the, shoe shape for sh. Sitting on the chair is shoe having T. NG is simple, the extension of G comes, and 3 television. Okay. So I'm just taking 2 minutes break. Please share the picture. Okay, so I hope now it's clear. Okay, let's move to the long vowels. Sorry, short vowels now. Okay. What all are the short vowels? What are short vowels?
E, O,
A, E, O,
E, E, O. Now we already know that we
E and
don't,
I.
yeah, E and I. So we have already covered E and I. So E is this only, and I is capital I. Now taking A. So for A, I'm taking the example. For A sound, I'm taking cat. Okay, cat. So I have learned it. Okay, you all have to sing it with me. Okay, how I'm going? 1, 2, 3, 4. Get on the dance floor. So while you are drawing this, you can sing this. That cat is enjoying 1, 2, 3, 4. Get on the dance floor. You can just make anything of your choice. But this is the way I use 1, 2, 3, 4. So practice this. Please look at the shape which is there in the picture. So 1, 2, 3, 4.
The song again.
1, 2, 3, 4. Cat is on the dance floor. है ना? 1, 2, 3, 4. Cat is on the 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to finish this drawing in 1, 2, 3, 4. Cat is on the dance floor. So you remember a sound, cat with this symbol. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cat is on the dance floor. A. A. Also, you can remember that this A shape is coming in this, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Cat is on the dance floor. So this is the way we have learned A. Now coming to O. O. Now, if I say offer, offer, O sound is there, right? Now, looking at the shape which is there in the WhatsApp image, do you see an inverted half betel leaf?
Ma'am, are you telling about hot that we it's written in red in color? Hot.
Sorry?
Are you talking about hot? The O sound.
Yes, 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 hot. So it is inverted like this?
A.
Yes,
It's a reverse small a.
yes. So you can say offer. So you are offering apple. You're offering inverted apple. You're offering inverted apple. Okay, you're offering inverted apple. Offer, or sound you will remember, inverted apple. You can make a story that when she came or when my friend came, I offered inverted apple. A for apple. So inverted A. Now, a sound, the short vowel a sound, and the symbol is this. So it looks like a tent, right? So I have remembered this by fun in tent. Fun in tent. Or I remembered inverted, I offered inverted apple. Okay. I offered inverted apple. One, two, three, four. Get on the. Okay, Deepti, I'll add you in that group.
And what is the way to remember the short U sound?
Fun in tent. Fun in the tent. Fun is a sound. Yes. Okay. So.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So who can tell me what all have we done till now? What all we have done till now? Just tell me what techniques we use to remember those symbols. Let's start with those where we don't have to put any techniques. What are those sounds? Where we don't have to put any technique.
All the consonants.
P,
F,
P, F,
Consonant.
P, S,
P, S, B,
Not all
D,
the
D,
consonants.
P,
P,
H, M, N, R, L,
F,
W.
F, T,
B, yes.
D, Z, G, H, M, N, R, L, V. Yes. Mm.
Now what are and which vowels we don't have to learn?
E and I.
Okay. Now consonant sound k.
K.
K,
K. It will be always K.
K,
Consonant sound y.
J.
K.
Okay. Then consonant sound j.
DZ.
EZ.
Okay. Now th sound
Theta.
theta. Okay. And the sound
This fruit.
This
Hanging
fruit
fruit.
hanging.
this fruit.
This fruit.
This fruit. Okay. Then
Sure.
yes, sure. How did
Shoe
you?
and hill.
Shoe.
Shoe and hill.
Yes.
Shoe. And
Then ch sound.
sitting on chair having tea.
Yes. And then sound.
N with
Leg of G at two letter N. Leg of G has come on N and extended it.
Yes. And then television, j sound.
Tree.
Three televisions.
I have
Three
three
televisions
televisions
at
in
home.
my house.
Okay. And short vowel. Now a sound,
For
cat.
cat. Cat is on the dance floor.
Cat on the dance floor.
1, 2, 3, 4. Cat is on the
1,
dance
2,
floor.
3, 4. You have to make the shape. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Cat is on the dance floor.
Yeah. Then o.
Offer.
I
offering an inverted apple.
Inverted
Offering
apple.
an inverted apple. And tent.
Fun
Sorry.
in the tent.
Fun in there.
Fun in tent.
So we have done so many sounds and now only few are left. Now those which are left are little more complicated. Now we are coming to long vowel sounds. So long vowel sounds, we have a sound. Yes. So the word is wait. Okay. A sound. So E is waiting for I. Okay. To remember this, we are saying E is waiting for I. Okay. Then comes E, long vowel E sound. Okay. So I'm taking the word 3. So you will see that there are 3 dots. Okay, so we have to put 3 dots. 1 dot, 2 dots, and 3 dots. Okay, 3. Then we have I sound.
Ma'am, please repeat with the long E sound.
3E, putting 3 dots. 3, so it has E sound, putting 3 dots. You made a standing line and then you put 1 dot on the top and 2 more dots on the side. So putting 3 dots. Okay. Now I is very simple. Mostly here what we will find is that R sound is coming from letter A. Always remember. So R, E, R, E. So we just have to write R, E. So R is with letter A and E, we know that it is this. Sorry, capital I. So if you hear the sound R, E. So A for R, and we know that E sound is letter I. So if you try to read this, it becomes R, E, I sound. Okay. Now, which is the next long vowel sound? O. O. Goat.
Sorry to interrupt. Can you tell me for long I?
It's A. So A is A. Okay. A. A says A. And E. E. So E, we know that we use capital I. So A, A, I. Now with O, we have to remember boat. Okay. O, boat. So what I'll do is I'll draw a boat. Okay, boat. Now symbol I have to learn. We have learned that inverted E is Shwa. Yes.
Yes.
And this looks like hook. This looks like hook. Yes. So you have put Shwa on a hook. You have put Shwa in a hook inside the boat. You have put Shwa on the hook inside the boat.
Can you please explain again?
Yes. We know that Shwa is inverted E. Okay, Shwa is inverted E. And this is the shape of a hook. We will remember this as a hook. So you have put Shwa on hook in the boat.
What is Shwa?
Unstressed vowel UH. Those who have done phonics must be knowing UH, sound, UH, sound. That is unstressed sound. Okay. Now you will not find this U sound in this chart, and Spellbee books also don't have this, but I searched for this because we do have U sound, right? So what is the example I'll use for U sound is cute. U sound. Okay. So the symbol is J for joker. Okay. जोकर क्यूट है. अब यहाँ पे जहाँ पे हम 2 dots, now is there anybody who is having difficulty in Hindi language? some South Indian may be there, like they don't understand Hindi. Is it that? पर जो नॉर्थ इंडियंस हैं जिनको हिंदी आती है वो हमेशा ये याद रखना कि जब भी 2 डॉट्स है ना वहां पे आप है का यूज करो. जे क्यूट है तो वो है में आपको 2 डॉट लगाने हैं. जैसे यहाँ पर भी है ना 3 डॉट्स है, आप ऐसे बोलो ताकि आपको ये याद रहे है मतलब 2 डॉट्स. ठीक है. जैसे हम अह करते ना हिंदी में अंग अह ह में हम 2 बिंदी लगाते हैं तो है. Okay. Now, who can explain all of these 5 long vowels?
I have a doubt.
Yes.
But the picture you have shared, इसमें एक symbol है पेयर का, उसमें
अभी हमने ट्राइग्राफ्स नहीं किया, अभी हम ट्राइग्राफ्स करेंगे. एयर साउंड करेंगे अभी.
अच्छा, that will come in air. It will not come in A. Okay.
Who will explain all these? ये कैसे याद करना है हमको?
मैम अगर इसको वन डाउट मैम, इसको अगर हमें क्यूट को लिखना है so we'll write K and then we'll write J U with 2 dots and we'll write E to decode it in phonetic symbol.
Yes. So C के लिए K आएगा, है ना? C के लिए K आएगा और ये तो T के लिए T ही आएगा, लेकिन E साइलेंट है तो कुछ नहीं आएगा. तो इसको डिकोड करना है तो यहाँ पे K आएगा, क यू ट, ये इसका फोनेटिक सिंबल रहेगा. क्यूट. ओके
फाइन.
Ma'am, please again explain the A sound, long vowel A sound.
E is waiting for I. वो स्टोरी याद करनी है आपको. E is waiting for I. Then 3 dots, then E, I. Then
Shwa hand on a hook in the
Inward.
And Joker is cute. Joker cute है. है बोलो तो आपको 2 डॉट्स याद रहेंगे. Joker cute है. अभी मैं ये क्लियर कर रही हूँ. अभी बताओ A साउंड के लिए मुझे क्या लिखना है? A साउंड के लिए मुझे क्या लिखना है?
E and
with capital I.
Waiting for
I.
ठीक है. लॉन्ग E साउंड के लिए मुझे क्या करना है?
I लिखना है और है.
3 dots.
3 dots.
I and 3.
I के बाद में 3 dots.
3 dots है ना? ओके. उसके बाद में नेक्स्ट है I साउंड.
I.
A and I.
A and capital I.
ठीक है. अभी नेक्स्ट है
O. Shwa and hook
यस.
In
And hook.
in the boat.
वो
Shwa hand on a hook in the
याद
boat.
रखना है कि O के लिए बोट याद रखना है ना. एंड यू साउंड के लिए
Joker cute है. J U 2 dots है.
क्यूट.
Joker cute है.
2 dots.
अभी मुझे बताओ शॉर्ट ए कैसे याद किया था? शॉर्ट ए साउंड कैसे याद किया था हमने?
1 2 3 4 cat
Is on the dance floor.
हमने शॉर्ट अ साउंड कैसे याद किया था?
1 in 10.
1 in 10.
हमने शॉर्ट अ कैसे याद किया था?
Offering inverted.
I offer inverted apple.
Offering inverted apple.
ओके. हमने श कैसे याद किया?
Shoe hill.
Shoe with hill.
हमने च कैसे याद किया?
Sitting on chair having
Chair with tea.
Putting shoe, I sat on chair having tea.
यस. थ साउंड.
Theta.
symbol.
द साउंड.
This fruit.
This
Fruit
fruit.
is hanged.
Cherry is hanging.
ज टेलीविजन ज साउंड कैसे याद किया?
3 televisions on my wall.
Television at home.
और अंग साउंड कैसे याद किया? अंग.
Leg of G has come to extend N.
यस. और हमने ए लॉन्ग ए कैसे याद किया?
He is waiting for
He
I.
is waiting for I.
It's waiting for I.
ई कैसे याद किया?
3
I.
dots.
3
3
dots
dots
है.
है.
I with 3 dots. Standing line with 3 dots.
आई कैसे याद किया?
I. I.
I.
हाँ, A for A sound and I for E. हमने U O कैसे याद किया? O.
Shwa and hook.
Put on hook inside. मैडम ये सिंबल थोड़ा वापस बताइए ना, O का। वो बोट मतलब वो इसमें है, अपने डायग्राम जो भेजा है उसमें है।
हाँ वो है, क्यूट यू नहीं है उसमें।
नहीं तो ये एक बार वापस बताइए ना, वो बोट वो सिंबल में कहाँ पे जाता है?
Boat will not be there.
गो में जाता है मैम, ओ देखिए।
हाँ
सेकंड रो लास्ट वन, गो।
Cow, cow.
गो नॉट
काउ के ऊपर, काउ के
Yeah,
ऊपर
गो।
Yes.
गो, ओ साउंड आ रहा है ना, ओ
हाँ
है ना, तो श्वा इज हुक्ड।
ओके
ओके, अब इसमें यू नहीं है तो यू के लिए हमने क्या सीखा?
जोकर क्यूट है।
ओके, नाउ वी आर कमिंग टू सम मोर डिफिकल्ट वंस। तो उसमें अब हमारा जो बचता है अर साउंड है ना। अर साउंड के लिए हमने सीखा है आई आर भी हो सकता है, यू आर भी हो सकता है, ई आर भी हो सकता है, अर साउंड। ठीक है, तो उसको कैसे करेंगे? मैं बोल रही हूँ अर साउंड है ना, तो कर्व्स, मैं बोल रही हूँ कर्व्स, क्योंकि दो कर्व आ रहे हैं। कर्व्स है के लिए हम दो डॉट लगाते हैं, सो कर्व्स है। कर्व में अर साउंड आ रहा है, अर कर्व है ना, कर्व्स। अभी हमारा साउंड बचता है शॉर्ट ऊ एंड लॉन्ग ऊ है ना। ऊ एंड ऊ, जो लॉन्ग ऊ हमने किया, तो ऊ का तो हमने जो किया हुक है ना, हुक। ऊ साउंड आ रहा है ना, हुक। ठीक है, लॉन्ग ऊ साउंड में क्या हो रहा है? लॉन्ग ऊ साउंड का एग्जाम्पल मैं लिख रही हूँ मूड है ना, मूड। तो अब इसका सिंबल मैं क्या बना दूंगी कि मूड ऑफ है, मैं एक फेस बनाऊंगी और मूड ऑफ है, जहां भी मैं है बोलूंगी इसका मतलब मुझे दो डॉट्स लगाने हैं। ठीक है, तो अब इसको मैंने फेस बनाने के लिए यहाँ पे जस्ट एक ये ऐसा कर दिया, मूड ऑफ है। ये सिर्फ हमने फेस बनाने के लिए ये चीज बीच में दी है हमने, सो ये मूड ऑफ है। ओके, हुक में उ साउंड आ रहा है, कर्व्स हैं, सो अर साउंड हो गया।
मैम ये लॉन्ग ऊ का सिंबल भी डिफरेंट है।
हाँ ये सिंबल है ना इसका, इसका सिंबल ये है, तो हमने इसको फेस बनाने में यूज किया और मूड ऑफ है। ये चार्ट में दे रखा है सिंबल।
चार्ट में यही वाला दिखा है ना, सिर्फ फुट में जो है, लॉन्ग साउंड का नहीं है ना।
यू जो है,
यू का ओके।
I could not get the hook
Ma'am,
one.
hook, yes, hook is long oo or mood is long?
लॉन्ग इज मूड। यहाँ पर जो वर्ड दे रखा है यू ना, यू में लॉन्ग ऊ आ रहा है ना, य ऊ यू।
शॉर्ट हुक का स्टोरी प्लीज।
हुक, उसको तो बस हुक, हुक में ऊ आ रहा है ना, तो हुक बनाना है।
ओके ओके,
लुक एट द हुक, ऐसे बना लो, लुक एट द हुक। मूड ऑफ है ना। अब आउ है ना, आउ, आउ साउंड।
Small hook, the sound. Can you just draw it again?
ओ आ रहा है ना, hook.
So only hook, not that round thing is there. That is also there, or only hook we have to take.
तो बस हुक बनाना है आपको, ये हमने हुक बोला है ना, हुक
Okay.
है ना. Look at the hook.
Yeah. Hook.
मैम मूड वाला जो सिंबल बनाया है इसमें अपने को यू लिखना है क्या?
हाँ,
YOU.
नहीं मूड, मैंने इसको ये बनाया है, मूड ऑफ है, ताकि मुझे ये शेप याद रहे, मूड ऑफ है. हम सारे वर्ड्स वो नहीं ले रहे हैं जो यहाँ लिखे हैं, है ना. मूड ऑफ है ना. आपको मूड पे ऊ ध्यान आ जाएगा, ऊ साउंड, राइट.
ओके.
आऊ, आऊ में बताओ आ साउंड किससे लिखना है अपन को? आ साउंड किससे बताया मैंने?
A.
हाँ, तो ए. और ऊ के लिए हमें पता है हुक है.
Hook. Hook.
आऊ हो गया, आऊ, है ना. इसी तरह से आ, फार, जैसे मैं लिखूं वर्ड अगर फा, तो हम आर कंट्रोल्ड है, तो हम फा बोलते हैं ना. तो
मैम आउ का एक बार बताइए ना प्लीज.
आ के लिए ई यूज करना है, ऊ के लिए हुक यूज करना है ना.
ओके मैम, थैंक यू.
आ, यहाँ पे भी आ रहा है तो ए लिखना पड़ेगा, है ना.
करेक्ट.
तो आ, कार, कार में भी आ साउंड आता है ना. कार, फार, है. जब आप है बोलोगे तो आपको 2 डॉट्स लगाने हैं, तो इसको ऐसे याद किया कि कार, फार, है. तो है के लिए हमने 2 डॉट्स लगाए.
Ma'am, please explain this far once more.
आ के लिए ए यूज करना है ना. आ, तो ए यूज किया, और है के लिए 2 डॉट्स, है ना. तो कार, फार, है. कार दूर है, कार, फार, है ना.
So this is for AR.
ए आर.
Please, OW once again.
आ, उ, है ना. आ के लिए ए यूज करना है, उ के लिए हुक बनाना है.
Yes, got it.
Ma'am, does it make difference how we make the A?
नहीं, बट आपको जब आप बुक में देखोगे, डिक्शनरी में देखोगे, तो आपको ये वाला ही मिलेगा.
नहीं, जैसे इसमें ही पार्ट एक वर्ड है, पार्ट में दे आर मेकिंग डिफरेंट ए, एंड अभी जैसे आर का आप जो बता रहे हो, दैट इज अ डिफरेंट ए. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम आस्किंग.
इसमें ये वाला है, सॉरी. बेसिकली आपको क्या जरूरत पड़ेगी, आपको फोनेटिक सिंबल देखने की जरूरत पड़ेगी वर्ड के लिए, है ना. तो आप देखोगे तो ए, आ, चाहे ऐसे है तो भी आ, और ऐसे तो भी आ. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज ईयर साउंड. ईयर, है ना. जैसे कि अगर वर्ड है नियर, ना, वर्ड है नियर. तो अभी हम यहाँ पे जो हमारा आए है, ठीक है, एंड देन उल्टा ई, श्वा, ठीक है. तो आपको याद है वेट में हमने क्या किया था कि ई आई का वेट कर रहा था, है ना. तो अब यहाँ पे हम क्या कर रहे हैं, ई आई का वेट कर रहा था, तो अब आई ई के नियर आ गया. जब नियर आया तो ई उल्टा हो गया, ठीक है. ई आई का वेट कर रहा था, तो वो जब नियर आया तो ई उल्टा हो गया. आए के नियर ई आया तो ई उल्टा होगा। नियर से आपको ईयर वर्ड याद आएगा, ईयर साउंड, जहां भी ईयर साउंड है ना, हमें ईयर साउंड के लिए हमें ये सिंबल याद करना है। तो आई के पास जब ई आया तो वो उल्टा हो गया। नेक्स्ट साउंड है एयर साउंड, है ना, ये ट्राइग्राफ्स है, ईयर, एयर, है ना। तो जैसे केयर, एयर साउंड, अब वो AIR से भी केयर साउंड एयर साउंड है ना। तो एयर साउंड के लिए ये दोनों एक दूसरे की केयर कर रहे हैं, तो ये दोनों एक दूसरे की केयर कर रहे हैं, मतलब दे आर लुकिंग लाइक सेम, है ना। तो यू कैन गिव इट लाइक मॉम एंड डॉटर केयरिंग फॉर ईच अदर, मॉम एंड डॉटर, तो है ना, डॉटर उल्टा शी इज इन्वर्टेड, स्लीपिंग इन्वर्टेड, है ना, सो दे आर केयरिंग फॉर ईच अदर, मदर डॉटर, है ना। पेयर, पेयर से भी आपको ये याद आ जाएगा, ये पेयर भी बन रहा है, पेयर बोल सकते हो, एंड दे आर केयरिंग फॉर ईच अदर, पेयर केयर। अभी सिर्फ 2 और बचते हैं हमारे। योर साउंड, प्योर, जैसा प्योर में है, प्योर में कौन सा ट्राइग्राफ है, प्योर। तो ये जो प्योर वाला ट्राइग्राफ है वो हम 42 साउंड्स में नहीं करते हैं, ट्राइग्राफ्स हम 42 साउंड्स में नहीं करते हैं, एयर, ईयर, ये जॉलीफोनिक्स में नहीं है। सो प्योर, अब प्योर के लिए हमने एक स्टोरी बनाई है कि जब भी हुक, है ना, इस हुक में श्वा, ओ में क्या था, पहले श्वा था, हुक बाद में था, है ना, राइट। जो हमने ओ बोट में किया था तो क्या था,
श्वा हुक कर रहा
श्वा
था।
हुक था, यहाँ उल्टा हो रहा है, हुक और फिर श्वा, है ना। तो हम स्टोरी क्या बना सकते हैं कि हुक श्वा, ना श्वा में यू कैन थिंक ऑफ स्वाहा, जो हम उसमें कहते हैं स्वाहा, तो क्या होगा, प्योर हो जाएगा, वो प्योर हो जाएगा। तो प्योर, हुक और श्वा को आप इस तरह से रिलेट कर सकते हो। तो ये सिंबल आप प्योर के लिए कैसे याद करोगे, क्या स्टोरी बनाई, हुक को हमने स्वाहा किया एंड इट बिकेम प्योर, है ना। Now we have just the last one, that is oy. So oy is very easy. Oy is very easy. ओए के लिए ओ का ही हमें शेप बनाना है, और ई के लिए हमें पता है क्या है, तो ये सेम ही दिख रहा है, ये भी इसमें नहीं है शायद,
है बॉय,
है मैम इसमें, but it's making reverse C kind of.
Boy.
Boy in
Boy.
blue.
So in this picture, this which we did, AR is given for AIR, I think.
क्या
AIR and ARE, little bit I am confused. Here that mother daughter care for each other, no? So that is C and the inverted sorry, E and inverted E, no ma'am? For ARE.
E and so.
क्या बोल रहे हैं आप,
ARE बोल रही हूँ मैम मैं, केयर वाला।
पेयर में ही तो है ना, पेयर केयर, केयर पेयर,
दोनों सेम ना मैम, AIR and ARE, okay मैम,
हाँ हाँ
like phonics only, okay
हाँ। हाँ सॉरी, ऑय में जो ओ है वो आपको ओ ऐसे बनाना है आपको, ठीक है। बॉय, तो आई के लिए तो हमें पता है कि यही है ना। ओ को हमने यहां से कट कर दिया है ना, ओ को हमने यहां से कट कर दिया है, यहां से हमने ओ को कट कर दिया है। तो वो आप ये ऐसे याद कर सकते हो कि बॉय का फेस इस तरफ है, बॉय है ना, तो उसका फेस इस तरफ है, बॉय ऑय।
Or we can say, ma'am, boy is opening the mouth and calling oi, like phonic sound only.
Yes, you can make your own stories. अभी who will explain me all these? R को हमने कैसे याद किया?
3 curves हैं. 2 dots are there, so hair बोलना है. Then oo is short oo is hook, long oo is sad,
mood off hair.
mood off
with
hair.
a 2 dot.
Mood off hair. Mood ow is that a and hook. And oo, hook.
Ma'am, somebody just now said ना OY का वो phonically वो मैडम प्लीज वो बताइए ना, some other ma'am said ना वो OY का phonics का story use करना है. Somebody
yes, that boy is opening the mouth and he's calling oi because वो o cut है ना.
Oi
Okay.
sound है ना.
Okay, हाँ.
Then far, car, far है. Here is I comes near E, so it gets inverted. The E gets inverted. And air is mother daughter care for each other.
मैम इसमें ए और एयर दोनों तो सेम है ना?
हाँ, एयर पेयर.
Moment of.
And pure is that hook.
Hook को स्वाहा किया and became pure.
It became pure.
Yes.
And oi is that O is open, so boy is looking at the other side.
Yes. Okay, one last sound is there. Sorry, that was missed on 4. Okay. For this it is. अभी यहाँ पे हम ये बोलेंगे कर्व है, वहां पे हमने किया था कर्व्स हैं, तो 2 कर्व थे, यहाँ पे कर्व है. ओके, 4 और साउंड. Okay, so let's quickly start now this chart. पहला जो E साउंड है उसके लिए आपने क्या स्टोरी बनाया है? मैं ये चार्ट डिस्कस कर रही हूँ, है ना. चार्ट के
3 डॉट्स हैं.
हाँ, फिर सिंगल शॉर्ट वावल E के लिए तो आई है,
आई स्टैंडिंग है.
O के लिए हुक है, लॉन्ग U के लिए मूड ऑफ है, पेन हम अभी जो कर रहे हैं वो रेड वाले मैं कर रही हूँ, रेड वाले साउंड्स, ठीक है. तो वो सेम ही है ना. अबाउट में श्वा है, ये इन्वर्टेड ई जो है ना ये श्वा है, ठीक है, ठीक है. देन फोर, डोर में कर्व, आप याद कर सकते हो, डोर में कर्व है, डोर में कर्व है. फिर 1 2 3 4 कैट ऑन द डांस फ्लोर, फन इन द टेंट, तो दूर है, कार दूर है, कार फार है, ठीक है. फिर ऑ के लिए ऑफर, जितने भी रेड हैं इनको हम मोनोथॉन्ग्स बोलते हैं क्योंकि इनमें एक साउंड आ रही है, मोनोथॉन्ग्स, ठीक है. अब ब्लू पे आते, पर्पल जो है उनको डिप्थॉन्ग्स बोलते हैं क्योंकि वो 2 साउंड्स है सारी, ठीक है. तो ईयर साउंड के लिए हमने क्या याद किया था? नियर। तो आई के जब नियर ई आया तो वो उल्टा हो गया, है ना? ए साउंड कैसे याद किया? ए ई आएगा वेट कर रहा है ना? प्योर कैसे प्योर हो जाएगा? जब हम हुक में स्वाहा प्योर हो जाएगा।
हुक को स्वाहा किया।
हाँ, बॉय ने मुंह खोल के ओए बोला, है ना? यू के लिए हमने क्या किया? सॉरी, ओ के लिए क्या किया? ओ बोर्ड के अंदर स्वाहा
को हुक कर दिया। हुक।
एयर के लिए केयर, तो ये दोनों पेयर एक दूसरे की केयर कर रहे हैं।
मॉम एंड डॉटर।
आ ई 5 के लिए आ ई आई, ठीक है? आ ऊ आऊ बन गया, दैट इज इजी, है ना? फिर पी सेम है, बी सेम है, टी सेम है, डी सेम है। च के लिए क्या है?
सिटिंग ऑन चेयर हैविंग टी।
ज के लिए क्या है?
DZ।
क के लिए क्या है?
K।
जी के लिए सेम है, एफ के लिए सेम है, वी के लिए सेम है। थ के लिए थीटा। दैट, द के लिए दिस फ्रूट
is hanging.
दिस हैंगिंग फ्रूट। एस के लिए सेम है, जेड के लिए सेम है, श के लिए
Two with the heel।
ज के लिए 3 टेलीविजन्स, है ना? एम सेम है, एन सेम है, उंग के लिए जी का कर्व ले लिया उसने, है ना?
इज एक्सटेंडिंग।
एच सेम है, एल सेम है, आर सेम है, डब्ल्यू सेम है, एंड जे का य के लिए
J.
So we have learned all the symbols, right? आपको 1-2 दिन उसको रिवाइज करना रहेगा, अदरवाइज आप भूल जाओगे, right?
Yes.
So how was it? I just want to know, how was it?
Very good, ma'am. Very easy. Like now I feel it is very easy. If I revise it twice or thrice, it will be properly fit in the mind.
Please turn on your videos and tell me how many of you think now that it is easy and you all can learn it and you can teach it to children to memorize these.
First, we need practice for it.
Yes.
Yes.
Definitely.
Yes.
But the way you have told, ma'am, that is very easy for keeping in mind. If we will revise it, it will be very easy for us. Thank you.
Yeah.
I was having this book of my daughter for spell bee. So now I can read that symbols. Before that, it was like something alien language. But now
Abracadabra.
Yeah. So actually, what we have done is we have made abracadabra very easy, right?
Yeah, actually, the second column used to be some different kind of a language, but now I am actually able to read that.
Actually, whenever I used to look at this chart, I was like, मुझे तो हो नहीं रहा यार, बच्चों को कैसे याद कराऊं?
Correct.
And जब ये अभी मुझे पूछोगे तो I'm very much, or just as I told you that I just thought of this idea and I implemented on myself, and then I thought, yes, if I take this workshop, it will be beneficial. So is it?
Ma'am, for kids, we have to tell them of one single sounds every day.
Yes, like I have kept the kids workshop as well, so I have taken it for 5 days.
Okay.
So in 5 days you can teach them these techniques. First day you can take the simpler things. What we have done in 1 day, for kids it is 5 days. So, and what have you all noticed what I was doing? I was making you do the revision of the previous, whichever we have done. So I was asking you repetitively the ones which I have done. So same way you have to do. Second day, revise the first day and then go to second day. Third day, revise both the days and then come to third day. As we do in Jolly Phonics, we keep revising all the 42 sounds every time.
So ma'am, for the kids, we have to give the spellings, and we have to told them that now you have to do write it down with the symbolic, or we have to give the symbols and then they have to decode.
Symbols. You will give them symbols and they have to
Decode it.
Yes. So what I'll do is, on the 5th day, you all will be, you all are welcome for kids workshop. So what I'll do is 4 days I'll make them remember. 5th day I'll take the practice with them. So that session you all can join, so that you will have an idea that how the kids practice with us.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Okay. Good night, everyone.
Good night,
night,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you
Hope
so
you
much.
enjoyed the session. Please give feedback in the WhatsApp group. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Bye,
Bye.
ma'am. Bye-bye.